my god. I need some investments and some employees. What the heck? Hey, yo, what's that glowing? Is that a sword? What the heck? Hey, yo, it's a sword! I really need to sell this and get some investment. First, I need some employees. I don't know. Oh, what is that? You're a poor beggar. Yo, want some job? A real job.
No, bro. I don't have a job. I'm kind of homeless.
Want a job?
Yes.
Sure. First, introduce yourself.
Okay. Oh shoot, what's this? So I gotta introduce myself. My name is Prince Pamintuan. My nickname is Prince. I am 12 years old. My dreams and aspirations for a new invention, I'd like a transformable nanotech so I can make a gun and kill people whenever I want. My school goal is to graduate so I can make my invention faster. My hobbies and interests, my favorite activity is playing anything. My favorite thing to do when free time is watching things. My new hobby will be playing sports. My fun and creative facts. For a superpower, I'd like time stop or Spider-Man's travel destination, Switzerland, because I don't know, Switzerland. My personality animal is a monkey. I live in the trees, bro. My movie title would be Into the Multiverse, because I want to see other versions of myself. Fun fact, I fell from a 12-foot staircase and now I have a permanent hole in my skull and they replaced that hole with hard plastic. My favorites are in movie or TV shows Pacific Rim. Why? It has cool machines. My favorite planet is Saturn. Fire ring. Amazing. My favorite actor is Tom Holland because he's funny. My songs and artist would be Hips Don't Die. It has a catchy tune. My favorite food and drink would be chicken burger because it has chicken, bro. Who doesn't like chicken?
Me.
School and connections. My most interesting subject would be probably ICT because Sigma teacher. Improvement goal, gain a sport car, Ferrari SF90 XX Spider. That's all for my introduction course.
By the way, bro, you want to test the sword? I don't know. I just found it in the trees where you live.
Oh, cool. Okay.
By the way, you hide,
Okay.
You're hard.
Let me try to chop this tree. Oh, shoot. There's a phone case. Kaya locks the phone case for your phone. Is it yours?
I don't know. Maybe not.
Can you check your phone if that's your case? I'll throw this away if not.
Siri. Oh, yeah, it's okay. Thank you,
dang.
bro.
Okay.
Wait on. You're
So-
hide. You're hide.
Where's my workplace?
I don't know. Let's find one.
Okay.
Go.